ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ। ਸੋਰਠ ਮਹੱਲਾ ਪੰਜਵਾਂ। ਘਰ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਅਸ਼ਟਪਦੀਆਂ।
Guru Arjan Dev Ji in Rak Surat, Ang 639. One universal creator God, by the grace of the true Guru. Surat, 5th Mela, 1st House, Ashtpadiyan.
अब जग जिन्हें उपाया भाई करण कारण समरथ जी।
The one who created the whole world, siblings of destiny, is the Almighty Lord, the cause of causes.
यो पिंड जिन साजिया भाई देकर अपनी वथ।
He fashioned the soul and the body, O siblings of destiny, by his own power.
किन कहिए क्यों देखिए भाई करता एक अकथ।
How can he be described? How can he be seen, O siblings of destiny? The Creator is one. He is indescribable.
गुर गोविंद सलाहिए भाई जिस ते जापै तथ।
Praise the Guru, the Lord of the universe, O siblings of destiny. Through him the essence is known.
मेरे मन जपिए हर भगवंता।
O my mind, meditate on the Lord God.
नाम दान दे जन अपने दुख दर्द का हंता रहाओ।
He blesses his servant with the gift of the Naam. He is the destroyer of pain and suffering. Pause.
जाकै घर सब किछ है भाई नौनिद भरे भंडार।
Everything is in his home, O siblings of destiny. His warehouse is overflowing with the 9 treasures.
की कीमत ना पवै भाई ऊंचा अगम अपार।
His worth cannot be estimated, O siblings of destiny. He is lofty, inaccessible, and infinite.
जी जंत प्रतिपालदा भाई नित नित करदा सार।
He cherishes all beings and creatures, O siblings of destiny. He continually takes care of them.
सतगुर पूरा भेटिए भाई शब्द मिलावन हार।
So meet with the perfect true Guru, O siblings of destiny, and merge in the word of the Shabad.
सच्चे चरण सरेवियां भाई भ्रम भव होवै नास।
Adoring the feet of the true Guru, O siblings of destiny, doubt and fear are dispelled.
मिल संत सभा मन मांजिए भाई हर कै नाम निवास।
Joining the society of the saints, cleanse your mind, O siblings of destiny, and dwell in the name of the Lord.
मिटै अंधेरा अज्ञानता भाई कमल हुवै परगास।
The darkness of ignorance shall be dispelled, O siblings of destiny, and the lotus of your heart shall blossom forth.
गुर बचनी सुख उपजै भाई सब फल सतगुर पास।
By the Guru's word, peace wells up, O siblings of destiny, all fruits are with the true Guru.
मेरा तेरा छोड़िए भाई हुई सब की धूर।
Give up your sense of mine and yours, O siblings of destiny, and become the dust of the feet of all.
घट घट ब्रह्म पसारिया भाई पेखै सुनै हजूर
In each and every heart, God is contained. O siblings of destiny, He sees and hears and is ever present with us.
जित दिन विसरै पार ब्रह्म भाई तित दिन मरियै झूर
On that day, when one forgets the Supreme Lord God, O siblings of destiny, on that day, one out to die, crying out in pain.
कर्ण करावन समर्थो भाई सर्ब कला भरपूर
He is the all-powerful cause of causes, O siblings of destiny. He is totally filled with all powers.
प्रेम पदार्थ नाम है भाई माया मोह विनाश
The love of the name is the greatest treasure, O siblings of destiny. Through it, emotional attachment to Maya is dispelled.
तिस भावै तां मेल ले भाई हृदय नाम निवास
If it is pleasing to His will, then He unites us in His union. O siblings of destiny, the name of the Lord, comes to abide in the mind.
गुरमुख कमल पर गासिया भाई हृदय हुवै परगास
The heart lotus of the Gurmukh blossoms forth, O siblings of destiny, and the heart is illumined.
प्रगट भया प्रताप प्रभ भाई मौल्या धरत आकाश
The glory of God has been revealed, O siblings of destiny, and the earth and sky have blossomed forth.
गुरपूरै संतोख्या भाई अहनस लागा भाओ
The perfect Guru has blessed me with contentment. O siblings of destiny, day and night I remain attached to the Lord's love.
रसना राम रवै सदा भाई साचा साध सुआओ
My tongue continually chants the Lord's name. O siblings of destiny, this is the true taste and the object of human life.
करनी सुन सुन जीव्या भाई निहचल पाया थाओ
Listening with my ears, I hear, and so I live. O siblings of destiny, I have obtained the unchanging, unmoving state.
जिस प्रतीत न आवई भाई सो जियड़ा जल जाओ
That soul which does not place its faith in the Lord shall burn, O siblings of destiny.
बहुगुण मेरे साहिबै भाई हूँ तिसकै बल जाऊं
My Lord and Master has so many virtues. O siblings of destiny, I am a sacrifice to Him.
ਉਹ ਨਿਰਗੁਣੀ ਆਰੇ ਪਾਲਦਾ ਭਾਈ ਦੇ ਨਿਥਾਵੇਂ ਥਾਉ
He nurtures even the most worthless, O siblings of destiny, and gives homes to the homeless.
ਰਿਜ਼ਕ ਸੰਭਾਹੇ ਸਾਸ ਸਾਸ ਭਾਈ ਗੂੜਾ ਜਾਗਾ ਨਾਉ
He gives us nourishment with each and every breath. O siblings of destiny, His name is everlasting.
ਜਿਸ ਗੁਰ ਸਾਚਾ ਭੇਟਿਐ ਭਾਈ ਪੂਰਾ ਤਿਸ ਕਰਮਾਓ
One who meets with the true Guru, O siblings of destiny, does so only by perfect destiny.
तिस बिन घड़ी न जीविय भाई सर्ब कला भरपूर
Without him, I cannot live even for an instant. O siblings of destiny, he is totally filled with all powers.
आस गिरास न बिसरै भाई पेखों सदा हजूर
With every breath and morsel of food, I will not forget him, O siblings of destiny. I behold him ever present.
साधु संग मिलाया भाई सर्ब रहया भरपूर
In the Sat Sangat, the company of the holy, I meet him, O siblings of destiny. He is totally pervading and permeating everywhere.
जिन्ना प्रीत न लगिया भाई से नित नित मरदे झूर
Those who do not embrace love for the Lord, O siblings of destiny, always die crying out in pain.
अंचल लाए तराया भाई भौजल दुख संसार
Grasping hold of the hem of his robe, O siblings of destiny, we are carried across the world ocean of fear and pain.
कर कृपा नदर निहालिया भाई कीतुन अंग अपार
By his glance of grace, he has blessed us, O siblings of destiny. He shall be with us until the very end.
मन तन शीतल होया भाई भोजन नाम आधार
My mind and body are soothed and calmed. O siblings of destiny, nourished by the food of the Naam.
नानक तिस शरणागति भाई जे किल बिख काटन हार
Nanak has entered his sanctuary. O siblings of destiny, the Lord is the destroyer of sins. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।